or welcome back to my channel. So I am not well. It's a Monday. Mondays are very productive day for me, always, like every week. Since yesterday I am so sick. Like on Saturday we had some guests. Our friends had come over after a long time, like we met them after 2 months. शिफ्टिंग के चक्कर में हम लोग मिल नहीं पा रहे थे, बट फाइनली प्लान बना एंड देन वी टॉक्ड सो मच, एट सो मच एंड ऑफ कोर्स ड्रैंक अ लिटिल बिट देन माय यूजुअल लिमिट. तो और सब लेट हो रहा था, मतलब कि डिनर भी मैंने बहुत लेट खाया था उस दिन because I was so full with the starters initially. Then I took a gap. We were talking and chilling and playing some games and stuff. फिर जाके थोड़ी भूख लगी तो रात को बहुत लेट, मतलब कि almost after 12:30 AM I had my dinner and then I was so hungry and like a stupid I ate too much. मतलब घर का ही था. I only cooked everything. तो रोटी सब्जी दाल मैंने ठूस के खाया रात को अराउंड 12:30 AM एंड देन आफ्टर दे हैड डिनर दे लेफ्ट. उनके जाने के 20 मिनट में मैं सब कुछ ठीक ठाक करके सो गई. बाय द वे दिस इज़ लाइक मुझे पिंपल हुआ है तो मैंने मेडिसिन लगाई थी एंड आई हैवंट रिमूव्ड बिकॉज आई एम जस्ट गोइंग फॉर शावर इन सम टाइम. एनीवेज मुझे अराउंड 3 o'clock बहुत हेडेक होने लगा. So I thought because I am hungover that is why it's happening. So I drank a lot of water because I felt dehydrated. फिर मैंने then I tried to sleep but I couldn't. Then I woke up and I took my medicine for my headache. Then around 6ish I woke up. I was feeling very acidic. And I was like कि अब तो 6 बज गए हैं. I'll take antacid. Then I'll sleep or rest for some time. फिर उठ के breakfast बना के खाऊंगी तो I'll feel better. Automatically I'll have coffee or tea or whatever. तो hangover और वो सब कम हो जाएगा. At 6, like I took my medicine, I drank water, and everything came out. Like I literally had to rush like this to the washroom. And everything came out, like the food, the medicine, everything. The medicine जो मैंने just ली थी और मुझे vomit हुए वो आ गई. रात का खाना सब बाहर आ गया and I was like what the hell. I'll just close my eyes and sit on the couch. Then again after half an hour, 45 minutes, I puked again. After some time, like another half an hour or 20 minutes, it happened again. Vomiting, and now both these time it's all watery, कड़वा सा, मतलब बाइल निकल रहा है. I need to lie down. तो मैं जाके सो गई. And I was sleeping on the left side, so पता नहीं क्यों ऐसे ही. तो I was feeling better और मैंने अच्छा खासा नैप ले लिया half an hour 45 minutes का. फिर मैं थक गई एक साइड सो के. So I literally turned over and I turned to the right side and again it triggered vomiting. I don't know why it was happening, and again I rushed to the washroom and I puked for the 4th time. मैंने 7 बार vomit किए, 7 times, and I was exhausted. My stomach was paining because तो बंदर से बाहर आ रहा था. In a way it is good कि सब toxic निकल गया मेरे body से. Yeah, so I am feeling better today, okay. Still I feel that I don't have much energy, and yeah, so I'm going to take you through my day in such a phase, I mean sick phase. Like, so I'm done with preparing lunch. Almost more than half is done. सिर्फ खिचड़ी बाकी है because वो तो गरम गरम ही अच्छा लगता है. I'm done with shower, done with cooking. हाँ, साफ सफाई हो गई है, सब कुछ हो गया है. I'm all dressed, just doing some skincare and I'll be leaving for school to pick up Agastya. Anyways, I'm ready to go to school. So you guys come with me to school. So I've left for school. I'm about to reach in some time. उसके बीच में there's a shop for vegetables. Like काफ़ी दुकानें आती है, but I like ये जो वाला स्पेसिफिकली है बीच में, उसका काफ़ी अच्छा होता है. एंड बेस्ट पार्ट इसकी मुझे पार्किंग भी मिल जाता है. So I am done with vegetable shopping. I have reached the school now. I just need to go and pick him up. I am 5 minutes early, so I'm just going to go Shanti se dheere dheere, and I'll pick him up and I'll see you guys then.
I missed you.
You missed him?
Yes.
We also missed you in school. Yes, Leo?
Mama, can you change me delivery cards and cucumber?
Okay, come. So we are back, as you saw. I just finished few other chores. Then I was just resting because थोड़ा सा weakness जैसा लग रहा था. Now I am just with Leo. और कल का जो पेंडिंग काम था वो सब ख़त्म कर रही थी मैं. Little bit of shooting and editing. Now I'll just rest for a few minutes. फिर मैं जाऊँगी. I'll take Leo for a walk and then we'll have lunch. So I had few stuff pending for YouTube, so वो सब edit करना बाकी है अभी भी. So mostly afternoon में I'll do that. Meanwhile Leo is just here with me. Leo. Yes, please. Oh, Momo. Okay, okay.
Good. Just a little more. That must be it. Change buttons. Super Dino Crash. Mr. Ray. Energy charging complete. We did it. Now we can.
So out for a walk with Leo. Since he is 7 years old, so I get him down for susu break. It just takes me like 5-7 minutes. It's more than enough for him. And Agastya is at home with my house help. Gujarati food, khichdi, kadhi and sabzi, and of course the chana for protein. This is my simple lunch today.
Chana, khichdi and curry.
Yeah, how is it?
Nice. Blah.
Come on, finish it.
Okay, I'll finish.
Eat. Good. Very nice.
Yes, very nice.
So I am done with lunch, as you saw. Then Agastya is sleeping in his room. I am here in my room and Leo is accompanying me. He's here. He is sleeping. He follows me everywhere I go. I was in Agastya's room, तो उधर था. फिर मैं मेरे रूम में आ गई to do some editing and my journaling and stuff. तो वो यहाँ पे आ गया. Now I'm just going to finish off a few editing stuff for my YouTube shorts, and then I'm going to plan which videos will go this week, tomorrow, कौन सा shoot करना है, कौन सा edit करना है, because I'm really trying hard to grow my channel here. I'm learning every day. मैं obviously बाकी content creators और vloggers को देख के I'm learning. कुछ the worst part is कि I have a laptop but I don't know how to edit on it. आई एम ट्राइंग सो हार्ड कि मैं ये सॉफ्टवेयर करूँ, ये ऐप, एंड देन आई हैव ट्राइड एटलीस्ट 2 ऑफ देम. इतना टफ लग रहा है मुझे कि आई फाइंड फ़ोन बेटर देन लैपटॉप. बट द फ़ोन के साथ इश्यू ये है कि आई डोंट हैव इनफ स्टोरेज स्पेस इन माई फ़ोन. iPhone प्रॉब्लम. If you know an easy way of editing on laptop, please help me, please. If you guys want me to put something specific, please let me know here, so it is easier for me than what you all want to see. Just jotting it down what all content I want to shoot this week and what all stuff I have already shot I need to edit. I took a small nap. Just feeling little dizzy and I don't know, मतलब कुछ अच्छा नहीं लग रहा था, so I just took a small nap. Giving banana to Leo for his evening snack. I sometimes give apple, sometimes give banana, papaya, muskmelon, chiku, blueberries, whatever is available. I give it to him, and sometimes homemade treat as well. And Agastya is up. Take your milk. You still sleepy? Oh, but Chico is still sleepy. Oh. Chal. Take your milk. Don't sleep, okay? We'll give it to Leo also. Leo! धीरे धीरे. Go slow. Finish. Good job. This is my evening snack. Sev mamra khakra and green tea. I love khakra because I'm a good Jew. No, here which picture starts with K? Very good. Give me 5. That's
We have
correct.
to write now.
Yeah. See how it goes. Can you see?
Yes.
From here, go up. Curve છે ને? પછી come down and then go up again. From there, then go up. Yes.
Then go here.
Very good. See, basically it is just C with a extra curve. C cha na with extra curve. Right? Do again. So I'm back from small walk. You can see little bit of sweating. इतना sweat तो होता ही नहीं है because it's too windy and chilly in Bangalore. But now I'll just prepare Leo's food. He's waiting. Leo, are you hungry? Hungry? Chico is hungry. Ah, Chico. Oh. Chico, you're hungry. So I'll give him his dinner. I'm making drumstick ka sabzi with besan and dahi.
Yes.
Attention, monkey, sala monkey. ऊपर तो So this is drumstick ka sabzi with besan, dahi, roti and eggs for protein and chundo. This is my favorite menu. Wanted to have something light, so मैंने आज ऐसा ही कुछ खाना बना दिया for dinner. And the boy loved the boy loved stars very much and wished he had of his own. And so every night before going to bed, this is what I do. I read book for Agastya, and then Leo comes and sits with us to enjoy the book reading sometimes. And yeah, this is the end of my day. I hope you guys liked my vlog. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, thank you for watching. Here you can see both my boys are enjoying the book reading session. Good night. Thank you.